Before they were charged, we requested the police at the DCI headquarters, pleaded that this matter be referred back to the church because the church has mechanisms to deal with this matter. The police didn't buy that idea. Our clients were dragged to court. When they appeared before the court for plea taking, we took not less than 5 hours pleading to the court that this matter is baseless. It is a matter based on the politics of the church and succession politics of the church, and therefore there is no money lost. There is nothing that is criminal. Remember, they were charged with the offense of having stolen over 50 million shillings from the Pcea church. Today, the DPP has applied to withdraw this matter under Section 87A. Section 87A, under Section 87, the law is very clear that you only withdraw pending further investigations or pending looking for more evidence or pending availability of the complainant. The complainant is dead. We have demanded a total termination of this matter. We have objected. The court has agreed with us that this matter cannot be dealt with a court holding brief for the other court. We shall appear on the 25th of September before the trial court. And because the complainant is passed on, the only route available is this matter to be terminated, to be closed, and these people be allowed to be free citizens.